So as promised in my last video, Rachel and I took a video of installing the engine guards onto the Challenger, and I thought I'd be neat and do an unboxing video, but there's really only a handful of things even in the box. It's a huge box that's mostly packing material, because you've got the two halves of the engine guard. Since there's a big radiator on this motorcycle, it has to be in two halves. And they're, of course, they're wrapped in their protective, clothy kind of stuff. And then one bag of hardware, which includes two bolts that you'll need to use a 15mm socket on, and a warning sticker to put on the crash bar that, or the engine guard, supposed to call it an engine guard, not a crash bar, that says this is not going to protect you from injury in the event of a crash. I figured that I would know that and not need a sticker staring at me, so I did not install the sticker. So really the only tools that you need outside of a knife to cut the box is a 15mm socket and a torque wrench that can go up to 45 foot-pounds of torque to make sure that they're torqued. Without any delay, I'll skip ahead. Here is the video on how to put these things on. Okay, so the first step in installing this is to remove this bolt. The instructions call this bolt A or 1, I don't really remember. So out it comes, and we're done with that. Then we're going to take the engine guard and we're going to unwrap it from its packing. And I checked these a minute ago and I should have the correct one. They only line up because see, they've got this channel right here in the Challenger radiator that kind of looks weird without the engine guard there. And if you try to put this one on the other side, then it doesn't match up with the bolt hole. So we're going to line that back up right there, kind of get it started. So, and then down here at the bottom, take the other bolt. The packaging came with two of these, run it through there and into this little hole right there, which I kind of have to look through the mount of the rider's floor peg to see. And I'm going to get my cheater drill. Make sure I'm on it. I ain't on it. I'm not on it. There we go. And then back up top. There's that. Hit this one more time. And there's the left side done. So now we're going to take this bolt out. Line it up. And of course I cleaned this channel out before I started. Get that in. Start this bolt. Grab bolt 4 down underneath. And then tighten them up. Up top. And there is the engine guard installation.